The finite region R, as shown in figure 2, is bounded by the x-axis and the curve with equation here. The curve crosses the axes at the points 1, 0 and 4, 0. Complete the table below by giving your values of y to 3 decimal places. Use the trapezium rule with all the values in the completed table to find an approximate value for the area of R, giving your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Use integration to find the exact value for the area of R. Okay, so here's the question then. Let's have a look at it. We need to work out these values first of all, don't we? 2 and 3. Let's put it into the calculator. So 27 minus, put 2 in here, would be 4, wouldn't it? 2 times 2, plus, minus, rather, 9 root x, 9 times the square root of 2, minus 16 divided by 2 squared, isn't it? Decimal 6.272. 6.272 to 3dp. Okay, now we need to work out the value at 3. So go back and put these x values as 3 now. 2 times 3 minus 9 root 3 minus 16 over 3 squared equals 3.634. 3.634 is there. So use the trapezium rule to find R. So let's paste in the trapezium rule if I've got it. Yes, I have. Here it is here. And we've got it there. So this is part B now, which we can paste from our formula booklet. So h is b minus a, 4 minus 1 over n. The number of intervals, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ordinates, 6 intervals. So n is 6, b is 1 and a is 4. So let's put them in. So 4 minus 1 over 6 is just a half. So h over 2 will be a half over 2 is a quarter. So let's put that in as is, 1 quarter. So let's put the values in then. So that's equal to 1 quarter. The first plus the last y ordinates, 0 plus 0 plus 2 times everything in between. So it's 2 times 5.866 plus 6.272 plus 5.210 plus 3.634 plus 1.865. Close the 2 times, close the bracket at the end. So tap that in the calculator then. Okay, so we'll do the, let's just check we haven't missed any values out. Yeah, so there's the 2 times 5.866 first then. So let's put that in. 2 times bracket 5.866 plus 6.272 plus 5.210 plus 3.634 plus 1.865. Close the bracket. This is the 2 times number. 45.694. So it's a quarter of 45.694. So divide this in the calculator then by 4. 11.42 to 2 dp, isn't it? 11.42. And that was to 2 decimal places. So that's the trapezium rule done then. Use integration for this function here. So part C, here, we've got the integral of, what was it, 27 minus 9 root x, or minus 2x. Let's have a look. Minus 2x minus 9 root x. Minus 2x minus 9 root x plus 16 over x squared, wasn't it? Let's just check that. Minus minus plus. minus, minus, minus. So we need a minus here. So this was between 1 and 4. So let's do the integration then. 27 times x, isn't it? Constant integrates to constant times x. Minus 2x, that's a 1 there, so it's x squared over 2. So the 2's will cancel to leave x squared. Minus 9, x, raise the power by 1, divide by that number. Minus, and then it's 16, raise the power by 1, that's x to the minus 2, goes to x to the minus 1, over minus 1. We'll make that a plus. So that needs to be worked out between 1 and 4. Here, the 3's will cancel. 3 goes into 9, 3 times. And the 2 will swing up to the top. 2 3's are 6. So I'm going to change these numbers and put 6 now in here. So we just worked that out. So that's equal to then, put the 4 value in. 27 4's. There's 108. Tap it in the calculator if you need to. 4 squared is 16. Minus 4 to the 3 over 2. 4 to the half is 2, and 2 cubed is 8. 6 8s are 48. Plus 16 over x, 16 over 4 is 4. That's the top value then. Take away the bottom, put 1 in. 27 times 1 is 27. Minus 1 squared is 1. Minus 6 times 1. Plus 16 over 1. There we go. Is 16. 108 minus 64 this is here, isn't it? Plus 4 is minus 60, so this is 48. 108 minus 60 is 48. Minus 27 minus 7 is 20. 36 minus 36 then. So the answer would be 12 units squared. It's a measure of area, isn't it? Okay, and that's part C.